Hello there, welcome to this short but very effective Yin yoga practice. This class is designed for reducing heat to cool down. It doesn't have to be on a hot summer day, but it is there to really take it slower, more quiet and release a little bit of heat. I look forward to see you on the mat in just a moment. We get ready in lying butterfly, so come to lie down on your mat. So you probably already got nice and comfortable on your back in Supta Baddha Konasana, which means lying butterfly. Connect the soles of your feet. Allow your knees to open up like wings, like that butterfly shape. And as you come to lie down, just make sure that your chin is tucked in towards the chest. You feel nice and long in the back body. And to get the air flowing around your skin to feel nice and cool already in this position, I would like you to bring your arms quite far away from the body, with your palms opening up towards the skies. And as we take a moment to arrive in this practice, you might want to consider closing the eyes completely as you soften your gaze. And just really allow yourself to let go of anything that happened during the day thus far. Allow yourself to let go from anything that is on your mind currently. Anything that comes after. So you become really present and aware of the right now. And to already find some cooling element in this practice, imagine that you're allowing your muscles to fully release so they don't have to function apart from the ones, obviously, our organs, our vital organs, which automatically do the work. Release any tension through the hips, shoulders, palms. Relax the feet. And then start to notice the cool air flowing in through the nostrils on the in-breath. And the warm air moving out of your nostrils on the out-breath. And if you feel extra warm, just release and exhale the breath through the mouth. And today we work on an even breathing pattern, an equal breath. So I would like you to start drawing your full awareness to your breathing. And as you inhale and exhale, try to establish the same duration for both of them. So you're inhaling nice and long breath, fill your lungs, really imagine that expansion in the body. And as you breathe out, allow that softening to happen and the breath to release out of your body again. Imagine again on every in-breath you breathe new cooling air into the body. On every out-breath you release some heat, whatever that may be. Also on the out-breath, let tension melt away, let your body relax. And just notice how things start to quiet down. Take a few more of these nice deep belly breaths. Try to align your mind, your focus with your breathing. Everything else can wait. Beautiful work. And as you continue to establish a nice deep belly breath, just slowly start to bring your hands to the outside edges of your legs and then guide your knees carefully together so your soles, the soles of your feet, can come down onto the mat. And then relax your arms again and start to extend your left leg up towards the ceiling. Flex the toes toward you and then grab the back of your leg, either hamstrings or further up the leg, wherever you can reach without lifting the shoulders. And then just gently start to point and flex the foot. And really don't see this too much as movement today. Just see it as a bit of a release, a cooling for the body. Start to roll through the ankle one way and then the other way. And then the leg comes back to center. Push the heel out. Feel the hamstrings opening and stretching. Go as far as you like to, as far as you need it. Very nice. And then for lying pigeon, bring the left foot onto the right thigh. And I would say, of course, you can choose the other version, but today, to keep it nice and cooling, nice and easy, we stay in this posture, in this variation. Bring your left hand onto your leg, so slightly below the knee. Your right palm onto the other hip. And notice if one hip is shifting more up than the other. Try to even them out. Keep the left foot flexed. And then as you return back to your breath here, imagine on every inhalation, you feel the breath traveling down into the area of your hips. On every out breath, you just feel the left knee slightly opening further forward. So a few breaths, directing the energy of the breath into the hips, relaxing in that area. And then take a moment to gently rock the body from side to side here. Find some movement that feels good for the body, feels releasing. Beautiful work. And as you come back to center, we're going to change to the other side. So slowly release the left foot down and extend the right leg up. And just have a moment to find a good, comfortable stretch. Hold onto the back of your leg and point and flex the foot. Then roll through the ankle. Change the direction. And then come back to center, press the heel up, flex the toes towards you. Feel the back of your leg lengthening, the stretch in your hamstrings. Beautiful work. And then for lying pigeon pose, bring the right foot on top of the left thigh. Try to keep it in the center of your thigh so you get the best sensation out of it. And then the right hand is coming onto the right leg. Left hand can ground the left hip down. And a hand on the belly or on the hip is also a good indicator of your breath. So come back to a nice even inhale and exhale breath. And notice while you try to open that right knee, whether you're engaging the jaw or the neck muscles, because sometimes we do really interesting things and the body thinks it can assist in some way, but you really don't have to engage any other muscles. Just try to feel that stretch. Breathe into it. And then gently also here, start to rock side to side. Feeling the movement that is really nice for the body here, nice for the hips. Bit of a sacrum massage as well. Beautiful work. And then come back to center and relax the right foot down as well. From here, extend both of your legs down onto the mat and bring your arms up and overhead. We keep the legs where they are, but shuffle the body now to the right side. So lift your upper body and shuffle it as far to the right as you like to, coming into a C shape or like a banana shape with the body. Bananasana is the posture called. Now lift your left foot, place it on top of the right leg and hold opposite elbows. Try to keep your head relaxed, and if this is too much arms above the head, choose any other variations that is comfortable for the shoulders. Relax your head, so allow the head to flop into any directions of comfort. And start to feel your right hand slightly moving your left elbow up and then across. So you open up through the left side body. Coming back to the breath, imagine breathing into that left side of your ribs, left side of your lungs. And just feeling the body opening here, that nice full body stretch. And sometimes it really isn't about doing big movements or very energizing movements. It's how much awareness you're sending into the posture and the breath. And you can be super mindful here about breathing well, and then the muscles, the body will get what you need from it. Take another moment here to lengthen. Relax head and neck. And then for a few more counts, take your right hand, grab hold of the left wrist, and try to more actively stretch into the left side body. Again, not using too much energy here. Head relaxes, possibly towards the right armpit. Gently push out of your right and left heel. Beautiful work, very, very nice. And then slowly release for the other side. Move the body back through center. Take your time, uncross the feet. Going over to the left, right foot crosses over. And then bring your elbows again into that, I just had the German word in my head, into that rectangular shape. Holding opposite elbows, quadrat shape. And then from here, trying to relax the head again into that direction it naturally falls. With your left elbow this time, left hand rather, grab hold of the right elbow and gently start to move it across. And visualize all that space that is opening in that right side body now. And try to breathe into it. Relaxing the jaw. Relaxing any muscles that don't have to be connected to this posture. Breathe fully and deeply. Very, very nice. And then release your arms rather. Take the left hand, grab hold of the right wrist, and more actively feel that side body stretch. Your hand is reaching away from the right heel. Gently push out of your heels. Take one more breath to lengthen. Beautiful work. And then slowly, slowly come back to center. Bring the soles of your feet onto the mat. And then gently hug your knees in and up towards your chest. Start to rock left and right to massage the lower back, the area of the sacrum. And then roll onto one side and help yourself with your hands to come into a seated posture. So coming into a cross-legged seat, if you can, Sukhasana. And then gently rest your palms facing down onto your legs, just to keep the energy within the body. Roll your shoulders up and down the back. Do that a couple more times. Beautiful work. And after the last round, just allow your shoulders to drop slightly back and down, your heart to elevate, and then close your eyes. In these last few moments of your practice, really visualize drawing some balancing, cooling energy into your body. On the out breath, release, let go of anything that doesn't serve you any longer, or maybe just a breath. Find a moment of stillness. And this itself is already so cooling and rebalancing for the body. You might have been rushing. Imagine the shoulders dropping away from the ears. Crown of your head lengthening. And your upper body is just comfortably balancing on top of the hips. Beautiful work. Let's finish and seal off our practice today with 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale through the nostrils. Gently open your mouth and exhale. 2 more inhale. Exhale. 1 more of those. Really mean it. Breathe as if you mean it. Very, very nice. And if it feels appropriate to you, connecting the hands together at the hearts, gently bow your head to your heart. And this is a sign of gratitude of anything you are and have to be grateful for in this very moment. Thank you so much. Take more time on your mat if you have it. You can choose another video or lie down in Shavasana. Stay cool. Have a wonderful rest of your day. From my heart to yours. Namaste.